Debra. I'd like to tell you about my workout. Before I met Tina, my biggest struggle was consistency. I just didn't go. I didn't have any, nothing made me have the impetus to keep moving. I also don't think I had the people that would be consistent with me and help me continue to move forward. And if I did move forward, and if I went backwards, to continue that route. So that was my biggest struggle. And with my biggest win would definitely be Tina, because I have consistency, I have communication. We always know what's going on, and with our video chats, with our daily conversation on text, with my videos to her of how I'm doing things, we always know where I am and what hurts me, what doesn't hurt me, and we move forward. If we need to move backwards, we move backwards. And I would tell a friend the same thing. Tina meets you where you are. She takes you to that point. She knows what comes before it and what comes after, and you don't have to worry about that you're going to hurt yourself doing too much or move along and get no gain, because you're in constant communication, and that really helps me in my workout to know what's next and did I accomplish what's before I move up to the next step. So it's really helped me a lot with all the communication with her. So I would tell a friend the same thing. Are you committed? Do you want to work out? Do you want help? Will you listen? But communication is the main thing with Tina, of where you are, where you've been, and where you're going. And that's my secret.